You go straight to the YouTube Studio app, click on it, and it's going to bring up. So I'm going to be using this channel for this tutorial. Okay, so this is actually the dashboard. Now I'm going to go to the up left corner, click on it, and you're going to see this. So we have this Outlook. Now first of all, let's check out the settings. I click on settings right here. I have notifications. How do I want my notifications to be? I click on it. So you see comment, analytics, achievements, policy, aim. So I turn them all on because I would love to know how my analytics is going, like everything that is happening with my channel, with my videos. That's the analytics. That's it works with the algorithm. Okay, now the achievement part. For the achievement, maybe I achieve 8,000 subscribers. I have to know. Maybe I achieve 1,000 subscriber. I have to know, like anything that is going on with my channel that has to do with what I have achieved. I would love to be noticed about it. Okay, and the next one is the policy. I would love to know when I infringe on the copyright or get a strike, like everything that goes against YouTube policy. I would love to know. I would like to be warned. Okay, now the earning, when it gets to earning, whenever I unlock anyone, I want to be aware. So that's why all these ones are turned on. Then for this comment, I choose the important because that is what I want to see. But you can decide to choose any. We have all. That is every comment that comes in, you want to say it. And if you don't want it at all, you just click on turn off notification. But it is important you keep it on. Maybe just the important one, you take it. Or maybe all comments that are coming in, you're ready for it. Okay, so we move on. Now let's go back to this place. So now I'm going to click on this tab right up here. So this is where we're going to be setting up. So the first thing I'm going to do right here, I believe by now you already have your banner created. So let's start with the home tab. So I click on the home tab, and this is what we have for the home tab. Show your channel home tab to highlight and showcase content for your audience. I click it on because I would love my audience to see my highlights. Okay, the next one says home layout for you. YouTube recommends your content based on viewers' interests. Yes, I would love YouTube to do that. That is, YouTube should recommend my content based on viewers' interests, what viewers are interested in watching. Then I will go furthermore to click on the setting. So right here we have content type. I have video, short, live streams. I would love all of them for my viewers to see them. So I'm clicking all on. I have them all turned on. Moving down, you have recency. Now this one is, will you like YouTube to recommend like both your old content and your new content? YouTube regularly update the for you section with fresh content. So if you want all your content to be seen, you click on this one. And if you would like YouTube to only recommend your recent content, then you click on this one. But it's advisable that you select the all content because you don't know which content your viewers will really be interested in. So if in case you choose any of this, try clicking on save to save this information. When you click on save, it's going to go back to where we are. So let's go back. Now the next one is the link part. If you have any link, maybe you have other social media handle, maybe you have Instagram account or Facebook account that you would like to add the link so that the people can actually check you out too on the website, on the social media that you choose or you add here. if you equally have a website, you can actually add the URL here. That is the website name right here. Okay, then when you're done, you click on done. Let's go back. Now let's go to the next one, the description. Right here you have to describe what your channel is about, because my own now I have growth is the color, because my channel is all about growth. The channel is all about growth, self-development and growth, business growth, YouTube growth. Okay, so we are here and we are all about growth. All right, so when you add what you want your channel to be about, like tell people how your channel is going to run, what you're going to be doing in your channel, describe what your channel will be about. After that, you go to the next place, that is the handle. But before this one, first of all, go right here and choose your YouTube name, the name you want to appear here on YouTube. Would you prefer to use your direct name? Is there another thing you want to use for your brand name? So for me, I'm using Tina on YouTube. It's already here. Now it's visible to anyone on YouTube. So what you're going to put here is what you want anyone that is coming to your channel, anyone visiting your channel to see. That is the name you are going to put there. Now you can equally change this name in case you decide, and you can actually change it twice in 14 days. That is in 2 weeks. Okay, so that's it. Now moving on, we have the handle part. You click on the handle if you have gotten the handle, because when you create your name, YouTube is going to give you a particular handle, or you'll be asked to create. When you're not able to create, they will give you a particular handle. So I choose Tina Too Sweet to be my handle. So that is what I have here, and the same rule is applicable here. You can change this twice in 14 days. Okay, so let's continue. When you are done, just click on save, and it's going to save whatsoever you have put in, and it will change it twice in 14 days. Okay, so we are done with this part. Now let's go to the picture area. Now if you want to change picture, just click on the picture and it's going to take you to your gallery. You just choose the picture you would love to have there and click on it. So I have this one set as profile, and I'm going to have it right here. Okay, the next thing is to go up right here. You see this camera icon, click on it. It's going to take you to your gallery back again for you to upload your banner. By now I believe you've created your banner, so you choose from my photo. So I have this banner right here. I'm just going to click on it. Okay, now there's a technique to this so that you don't mess up this. What you need to do right here is just to use your 2 finger and zoom this together. Don't add, don't shift, just maintain the position where it is. Don't try to shift to get any part, so just zoom it straight up. Okay, just like this. Don't try to shift it to any place. If you do, you might scatter the arrangement. Okay, so this is how it is when you are using a phone. You just zoom it like this and let it be. Okay, so this is going to show exactly like this for all devices. If you try to zoom it or shift it to any place, any part other than zooming alone, the thing is going to scatter. Like the arrangement is going to scatter. That's one thing about this. So after this, we're just going to go to save. So we are done. You just click on. So when you are done with this, you click on save and you'll have it saved. So right now we are done with everything that we need to arrange right here. Can you see how simple it is? So go right there and set up your channel before we dive into other things. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next video, and bye for now.